3x over 2 minus 4 is less than x plus 3. Which of the following is the solution for the inequality? Let me rewrite it over here. We have 3x over 2 minus 4 is less than x plus 3. Now we want to get x alone, so first we're going to have to get rid of the negative 4 over here. So we could add 4 on both sides. That's going to give us 3x over 2 is less than x plus 7. And then we don't want a denominator. To get rid of the denominator, we do the opposite operation. So we multiply both sides by 2, which is going to give us 3x is less than, so we distribute. 2 times x is 2x, 7 times 2 is 14. And then we're going to have to move 2x to the other side, so we subtract 2x on both sides, giving us x is less than 14. So what interval does that fall into? D. And here's how you do the notation. Whenever it's less than or greater than, you use parentheses. But if it was less than or equal to, or greater than equal to, it would be a bracket. In this case, we use a parentheses.